Alright, fine, we'll do it again. Hey everybody, welcome back to...
Fuck it, we'll do it live.
We'll do it live. Welcome back, bro birds. We're doing Mario 3 again.
Mario 3 World 5 Level 2 again.
Oh my god, why? We were on level 7 and then... No. Okay, alright.
This has been such an eventful playthrough, Jake.
I know.
All you gotta do is panic.
No, I know.
Jake, you're not panicking enough. Oh god!
Ah! Oh. I think I'm okay.
Watch that. Watch the Paracupa Troopa. The green-shelled Troopa with wings.
Where?
After the 3-up.
Okay.
He's in between the blocks, and last time you got hit by him.
Alright.
Oh, but you get your mushroom.
I got it. I get 3-ups.
Stand on top.
Got it. Oh my... Got it. Though.
Oh. Watch out for this Koopa.
Yeah, get fucked, Koopa.
You can get a leaf if you throw him into that shot.
Forget that. I don't even care. You're just beating the level. Nothing fancy. In the star.
Starman waiting in the sky. He wants to come and see us. You got a card.
Got a card. Oh my gosh. Justin, do not game over. I mean this. With every fight. If you game over, I quit. I literally quit if you game over. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart.
I needed my P-Wing for this one. I wasted it on that fucking... Oh, you have the spiral tower.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Jake, why?
Shut up. I can't.
Aleph.
God.
Oh my god. Jake, remind me that we need to play Primal Rage on this.
Primal Rage? What's Primal Rage?
It's a terrible old fighting game.
Oh. Why do I want to play that game?
Because I haven't played it since I'm a kid, and now I'm better equipped to understand what the fuck I'm doing.
Oh, okay. I guess so. I guess you are.
Fuck you.
Oh my gosh. No!
Dude, jump on his head. Get to the top of the tower.
No. I don't care.
There are riches beyond your wildest
Nothing
imagining.
fancy. Just
Getting
God.
crushed. Nothing fancy, just God. That's the life I choose.
I believe in Jesus.
You're 3/4 of the way done. Can you cinch it?
Can I cinch it?
Mm-hmm.
I think I can.
Why did they need this room?
Ambience.
Huh. Those are the only 2 glass globes in the game.
Oh no.
Yoko,
Oh no.
Yoko.
Oh no.
Yoko.
Oh. I feel like considering how cowardly I am, I should be playing as Luigi. Ugh. Ah!
Why would you do that? Jake! Why would you do that? Why would you do that, Jake? Why would you do that?
You think I wanted to do that?
Yeah.
No! Justin, our only hope now is for you to beat the... If you... No!
I thought I was doing so well killing that bowling ball. I'm down to 1 life.
I know you're down 1 life.
You got 4.
I'm at 4. I can still do it.
That means you lost your 3-ups.
Mm.
Maybe you should take that other castle down there.
No.
I think it unlocked something up. Oh, it's too late. I'm already past it.
Yeah, I know. You're already past everything. God. No.
Wait. Jake's right on the edge.
Okay. Alright, we're good. It's fine. Okay. Alright. I can do it this time. I know I can do it this time. I have the power of belief on my side. Oh. That's all I need. 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 Big jump.
When you get to the
Triple stamp. And I got it, and I'm coming up.
when you get to the towering plant,
Yeah.
don't jump off the edge.
I'm aware of that tip, but thank you very much, Justin. Not gonna happen.
That's where you went wrong last time.
Yeah, more. Ha. Ha. Bam. Okay. Okay.
Just jump at it and
Okay.
hold up.
Okay.
You won't overshoot it.
We got it. Over. Over. I've reached the top of the mountain.
Congrats! Now you can do that level I can't beat. Down is
If
down is the way you
If I
want to go.
could just.
Down
if I
is
could just-
down is
If I could just.
move over.
I'm trying.
Down. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I guess I'm tapping it too hard. Sorry. Okay. Alright.
Stop that.
Sorry about that.
If you gotta poop, just poop.
I don't gotta poop.
Why are you making those noises?
I've lost my fucking mind, Justin. That might be why.
Who's to say, really?
Hey!
How do you do that so much better than me?
Hey!
Oh! Mario
Hey!
and Luigi have different jumps.
Hey!
I forgot
Hey!
about that.
Hey!
What's that fire?
Hey! No.
He spits out Yoda fire.
No. No.
No, por favor, no.
No, this is getting bad. Oh, this is getting desperate.
Desperado. Donado.
Justin. This is end of the road.
End of the Star Road.
End of the Star Road. Princess Peach is gonna have to stay kidnapped. Is it even Princess Peach in this game? I don't know.
Si, senor.
Okay. Is it Bowser too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's Bowser 1.
No, Bowser 1.
But you know.
Okay. Okay. Listen, I think that we can do this if we just concentrate and believe that. Oh,
I tried to dodge the fire and made my jump too high.
I got that.
I'm down to 0 lives.
Oh.
Next
no.
attempt is my last. And then it's on you.
Oh no.
Si, senor. Welcome to the finale of Super Mario Bros. 3.
How dare you not believe in me like that? I refuse.
Jake. Don't believe in the me that doesn't believe in you. There goes the entire recording. We didn't stop the capture and your computer crashed. We lost all of that.